There should always be one cheat day, even if you are on a healthy food journey. Today, I am bringing you Aalu Paratha recipe, my version, which is famous among my family. I will tell you the secrets of my Aalu Paratha. I will reveal all the secrets how my Aalu Paratha turns so good. I use the new freshly harvested potatoes. These are the new potatoes, new harvest, and these are sugar free almost. You can, even the diabetics can have these potatoes. I have here made the dough with the help of water, carom seeds, and some salt. The first thing first for making aloo paratha is boiling the potatoes. The first step, first important tip which I am giving you here, whatever way you boil the potatoes, take them out immediately from water. Don't let them be there in the water, otherwise the filling will go soggy, and while rolling the dough, all the stuffing will come out. Those is the first very important learn from my experiences. I have peeled off. Here I will make some masala for the paratha, which makes it highly digestible. These are carom seeds and coriander seeds. I'll roast them lightly and I'll crush them in my mortar. So adding these carom seeds and coriander seeds will not only aid digestion, but these seeds are full of antioxidants. It will add to the health of the paratha. Let's make paratha healthy. Here I have crushed it so that it releases all its flavor. This paratha is a blast of flavors in your mouth. My brother likes it so much, and my nephew, whenever I go Delhi, he will say, "Mommy, make these for me." So I'll add some salt, this masala, some red Kashmiri red chili powder. It's not too hot. So the second very important thing, wash and drain all the moisture from the coriander. I use lot of coriander. This is a second important tip for me from me. Please drain the moisture from the coriander in whatever possible way. You can do it a day earlier, you can do 1 hour earlier, you can do this step ahead of making the paratha, but please don't add the dripping coriander in the aloo mix. Here I have taken garlic. I add garlic also. I add green chilies too. Here I have taken garlic. I'll peel the garlic. Again the tip, don't make anything soggy. Don't, you make sure you have washed your hands, you have wiped your hands properly. Now chop this garlic finely. Very finely you have to chop the garlic and add it into the aloo mix. This aloo mix is gonna be very flavorful. Please remember to deseed all the chilies because there are members in the family who don't like this much kick in their paratha, and there might be the members who may be suffering with some ailments which cannot handle the chilies and their seeds. I'm keeping the chilies separately so that I'll mix it in my paratha only. The beauty of the mix is that you can mix anything in your own paratha. Now, if it's impossible for with the hand, then use this plunger. It will help you in making a dough. We have to keep this aloo mix just like that of samosa. So in this I will take the मज़ा of समोसे का भी मज़ा और पराठे का भी मज़ा. So समोसा इज़ अ स्ट्रीट फूड जिसको हम बहुत कम खाते हैं. ऑलमोस्ट मैंने तो अभी मुझे लगता है 4-5 साल पहले कभी खाया होगा. सो फॉर दिस रोलिंग आई नीड अ रोलिंग पिन, चकला बेलना जिसको कहते हैं, और रोलिंग टू शुड बी थिनली, इट शुड बी थिनली रोल्ड, और विच एवर वे आपके बच्चे जैसे पसंद करते हैं, आपके घर वाले जैसे भी पसंद करते हैं. So roll it out properly, and I will show you how to fill the dough with this. It's the way you take one dough and roll it in the dry flour, and I have divided the potato mix also according to the dough. So I have divided dough into 7 equal portions, 7 equal balls. Press it again is the katori type of a thing. I will make this bowl and then we will press it against it. Make sure this is closed. This is the third tip from me. Make sure it is closed properly, and then roll it again, and now roll it with the help of the rolling pin on your chakla. So this is it. Roll it properly, roll it gently. We love the feeling of chunks in the aloo paratha. We don't mash it properly. If your kids do not like, if your family members do not like this chunky paratha, you can make a good mash, but make sure that your potato mix is not soggy, अदरवाइज़ वो साइड से निकल जाएगा और पराठा अच्छा नहीं बनेगा दिखने में भी और खाने में भी. You can use मसाला ऑफ योर चॉइस. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द ट्रिक्स कि मेरी क्या 3 ट्रिक्स है जिससे मेरा आलू पराठा इतना वर्ल्ड फेमस है और इतना अच्छा लगता है सबको. सो प्रेस इट जेंटली विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. So this is it. I have used ghee. I love using ghee in my food because ghee is necessary for the assimilation of fat soluble vitamins in the body. Apply ghee, little bit of ghee, and I will serve it with dahi and the amla chutney, which I keep there in my refrigerator. So this is ready, amla chutney. This is dahi, which has been sprinkled with roasted jeera powder and chaat masala. This is it. Aloo paratha should be served with this only, not with the chai. You can enjoy your tea later. आप बाद में चाय पी सकते हैं. चाय पीना भी ज़रूरी है. जिसको ये रेसिपी मैं डेडिकेट करती हूँ अपने ब्रदर संदीप बिंद्रो को और मेरे निफ्यू को प्रेम सिंह को. So missing you both here, and I hope you will love this, and you will love to see the tips and tricks I use while making aloo paratha. Thank you so much for watching.